In this video, I'll be showing you how to get anti-bee eggs in Grow a Garden. You can get anti-bee eggs by crafting them using the gear crafting table. However, I'll be showing you a few tricks to speed up the process and make getting the anti-bee egg easier. To make an anti-bee egg, you will need a bee egg and 25 honey. You can buy bee eggs from the honey merchant, which can appear as one of the traveling merchants near the seed shop. You can also get honey by giving fruit with the pollination mutation to the honey merchant. Start by planting some coconut trees. Coconuts are the best as they have a heavy base weight and you get more honey for heavier pollinated fruit. You can use triceratops to make the coconut tree grow faster. Once the coconut tree has grown, place down some sprinklers close to the trees to increase the fruit size. I use a basic, advanced, godly, and master sprinkler, but you can use whatever you want. You can also use toucans or the tropical mist sprinkler, but this is optional. Next, place down all your pets with the pollination mutation ability. These include the bee, honeybee, wasp, tarantula hawk, petal bee, pack bee, and queen bee. If you have a T-Rex or some sugar gliders, then you can place them down to help get more pollinated fruit. Collect all your pollinated fruit. You can use pets that can duplicate harvested fruit to get more of them. I typically use stegosauruses or giant ants. Wait for the honey merchant to appear and talk to them. Select the Take All My Plants option to trade in your pollinated fruit for honey. Open the honey merchant shop and purchase the bee egg if available. If you have any orangutans, then place them in your garden for a chance to get your bee egg back when crafting. Head to the gear shop and use the gear crafting table. Scroll down and select the anti-bee egg recipe, then click Craft. Get your bee egg and submit it, or click the Submit All button. Then choose to start crafting for 25 honey. Before collecting your anti-bee egg, place down any Pachycephalosaurus you have. They give about a 6% chance to duplicate your crafted item, helping you get anti-bee eggs faster. Collect your anti-bee egg, then go back to your garden and place it down. Once ready to hatch, place down all your koi for a chance to get your egg back when hatching, then hatch the egg. If you get any unwanted pets from the anti-bee egg, then you can place down seals and sell the pet for a chance to get the egg back. You can also give toys to your orangutans, Pachycephalosaurus, koi, and seals to boost their abilities and try to get more eggs. Just keep in mind that the koi and seal abilities are capped at 50%. You now know how to get the anti-bee egg in Grow a Garden. Please consider leaving a like if you found the video helpful.